For this week's discussion board, I chose topic one, which is what do you feel are the most significant advantages and disadvantages of internet-based learning for students at your genre of educational institution and why? First, I'd like to discuss some advantages. The first advantage is that students are digital natives. They've grown up around technology all of their lives, and so they really don't know anything different. They have a level of comfortability that other older generations probably do not possess, or at least to the level that our current students do. So being digital natives is definitely an advantage to them. Also, there are many digital resources that really aren't feasible for my institution to be able to provide. For example, some of the opportunities that they have to take digital field trips as opposed to taking a real field trip, which would be not only cost prohibitive, but also very difficult to organize. So a lot of the digital resources that are there are very much advantageous to us. Some disadvantages that I see when it comes to internet-based learning for our students are the distractibility factor. That is probably the biggest one. Students in middle school are very much distracted by just about anything that comes into their pathway that does not involve learning. And so it is definitely a fine line when it comes to internet learning for students. The resources and the activities definitely need to be much more structured to keep them from being distracted. Another thing that is in my particular area is a lack of access. I have a lot of students that will bring devices to class. However, they might not have internet access at home. And the only internet they have is at school. So a lack of access is definitely a big disadvantage because requiring students to do things at home can sometimes not be fulfilled. Thanks a lot. Have a great week.